guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Kim. Alright, so first of all, this is why I can't be bothered with gloss sometimes. But anyways, let's try that again. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Kim. Alright, so yes, like, can it be fall already? Like, fall is my absolute favorite season. Best movies come on. The weather is really nice. The trees look pretty. Everything is just really so bomb about fall. So this is my first fall look. I actually did this look for a photo shoot the other day. If you don't follow me on Instagram, you need to, because that's where you see the looks first, so you can give your input if you want to see the tutorial or not. So if you guys want to see and possibly recreate this look, then just keep on watching. So don't take me for granted. So much things I did not say. I'm from Portmore, that's in J. Hey, we can do it on that beat. Wax and baby, everything crisp. My good love with your turn and kiss. Them love me. We no response, man. We no get no.
Like that part right here, your head.
Say you safe car anyway you go girl your bad and your brain and girl business she must get a ring. She have to run back on living and kill. She want take to your man she again. A them thing that make you must miss the aim. Spending torque. My ticket that man is like a magic.
Like some.
Do the dance and support her shoulder. Left another man a public in a stroller. Come on and evil we have the dancing school. They are too good at do the dance. With your bad man, man shoulder for your friend.
That's what you do with your body.
And then your body with your body. And then your mind with your girl. That is what you do with your body.
Walking trophy, tell your friends I'm a walking trophy. Them body pop, so I'm gonna forget your body body.
Forget your body dirty.
Girl, you know that you put it from your body.
Me want your world without them.
More wine if you be my girlfriend. Can't just sing, but now. Bad mind and jealousy. Who want to see me dead?
I know Jah will provide my need. To the earth I died. I know Jah will dream last night.
Say it's gonna be a lot of life.
You have to get compensation.
But in the wild and strife.
But any day me rich me and tell you me nah left you fi gold diggers. I put a million brown in million diggers. You have to sit down in a I really wanna do me that. After me tell us I didn't know that. It's not better. Baby, when she cry, me cry. It is destiny. Something to be believing in because what?
So I'm editing this video right now, and I just realized that I did not give you guys like a final thought on the 4 products that were first impressions for this video. So I just wanted to go ahead and do that really quickly before I put this video out. Alright, so I'm gonna start off with the palette that I used to do my eye look were these two Jaclyn Hill Morphe collab palettes. I am so sorry, I'm using this lamp and the light is so terrible, but this is the main palette that I used, which was the Ring the Alarm palette. It's a very gorgeous palette. Like, it has a couple shimmer shades and a couple matte shades. It's like extremely pretty. I loved it, and I'm just gonna tell you guys, honestly, I liked it. I didn't have any issues with it. I know there's been a lot of controversy about these palettes, and I have not really used the Armed and Gorgeous, so I can't really talk about it. I only used one shade out of it, so I'm gonna really focus on the Ring the Alarm. And from what I experienced when I initially started going in it, I can definitely say like it was not giving me the color that I picked up first, was not giving me that like that extreme pigment like her original palette, but I can say it was visible, and it was the shadows were really easy to blend. Like, it was easy to blend. It was easy, like I was packing shadow after shadow after shadow on top of each other, and I don't feel like it ever started getting patchy or anything like that. So for $15, I would definitely recommend getting it. I don't see why not. So the Jaclyn Hill Morphe Ring the Alarm palette is a go for me. I needed a primer for my face, and I have dry skin, and especially with winter coming around the corner, I definitely wanted something more hydrating. So I bought this E.L.F hydrating face primer. That's what it looks like, and it's I think they're all color coordinated, all the E.L.F primers, and this is the blue one. Is kind of like a mint color, and that's what it looks like. The packaging I think is really cute, especially for a drugstore. It's like really cute. You get a good bit of product in here. I think this is a good bit because you don't need a lot. I used a little bit too much when I applied it to my face, but it's a good primer. And I had my makeup on for about 5 hours. And there was no creasing. The makeup was not moving around. I wasn't sweating. I wasn't oily. No, nothing. So I would definitely say if you wanted to give this a try, you can go ahead and do that. The next product that I want to talk about is this Fenty foundation that I feel like I'm the very last person to use this foundation. But you get 1.8 fluid ounces in this bottle, which I think is a good bit of product. I'm in the shade, damn, I'm in the shade 420. I don't know what's up with me today, but anyways, I'm in the shade 420, and I can say I do feel like I could have gone like a little bit darker, but I loved it. I would describe this as a medium to full coverage. It's definitely buildable. And when I used it, I loved the finish. It was really flawless. It was not matte. I don't think it was matte. It was just, that's what it said. It says soft matte. I think that's very accurate. Like, it was just very, it wasn't dewy. It was like satinish, soft matte. Yeah, that's exactly what it was. So this is definitely a thumbs up from me. Go out and get it if you haven't tried it yet. Alright guys, and that's it I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial as much as it was so fun for me to film it. I skipped out on the foundation because nope, that's unnecessary. But anyways, yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you guys want to see more looks, or if you have any ideas, anything that you want me to film, just comment down in the description box. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you like my makeup videos so far. And yeah, I really loved this look. I feel so pretty right now. Like, I'm literally just chilling in my house, like in my yard clothes, sweatpants, and this top. And I'm about to walk to the store and go get some cases of water for the hurricane. Like, I'm not doing nothing, and I still feel beat. So, you know, if you do recreate this look, be sure to tag me. Follow me on Instagram. You know, tag me on Instagram or wherever you recreate the look. And yeah, thumbs up the video, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.